Okay, go. Okay, next. Yeah, you good? It's all good. Nice. Last one. Okay, keep that leg off the ground. Off the box, I mean. That bottom leg, keep off the box. Off the box, keep it off the box. So you're balancing on the one leg. Okay, go. Now keep it off. There we go. That's better. Good.